Hello guys, welcome back. Hello people. So I was just looking for something to chew and I don't know what to do. Whether I should call it suya goat meat, suya peppered meat, I don't know. So that is what I did. Added some salt, some powdered Maggi, some salt, some oil. This is maize oil. So after that I will add in some pepper spices, suya pepper spices, and I will mix it together thoroughly. So I was just craving for something to chew, and I decided and I came up with this idea. Whether it's goat meat suya, peppered goat meat suya, I don't know. So this is it guys. I will just mix it properly, and once it is properly mixed, I have preheated my oven. So guys, if you are making this recipe, you have to be very patient. So as you can see, the goat meat here is mush. So after that, I will add more. I found out that the pepper spicy suya was not okay, so I just add some more. So once I am done that, I'll put it in my fling and I'll take it to the oven. All my returnees, thank you. My old, my new. If you are new, follow, subscribe, give me a follow button, check my channel out. I have all other videos, set recipe, cooking recipe, family, lifestyle. So I was done with the marinating and I added it to my oven tray and I'll take it to my oven. So now it's in my oven. I'm going to bake it. Guys, I baked this thing for more than 5 minutes. If you are in haste, you just don't need this recipe. But if you are not in haste, you can bake it and leave it there to just cook. So I left it there for almost 5 hours. And before it came out, guys, I have already eaten them all. So this is the one I brought out. And it was so dry, so crunchy, and I add it with just this cold wine. Enjoy. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook.